Well, guys, there is a hack that's going around TikTok, and I've been seeing it everywhere, and that's the one with the corn husk that you put in the microwave and you cook it, and it's supposed to come out perfectly cooked. And I'm giving it a try today. So I got my stalk of corn, and if you like hacks and want more recipes, why don't you just click that follow button and see what I do. Okay, so we're gonna put this in the microwave like for 4 minutes, they say. So let me do that. Okay, so 4 minutes. And here we go. 150 left. I'm getting excited. Let's see on how it looks. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna cut this on the side here. And let's see if it comes actually out. Okay, let's see if it comes squeezes out. Oh. Whoa, it's coming out. It's coming off. Look at this. Holy crap. It's working. Whoa. So look at this. Look at this. It is definitely coming out. And it's hardly coming out with any of the strands. Look at this. Gosh, look at that. Let's put some butter on it. I got some tahini to go. I'm gonna put that on. I don't have Mexican cheese to put on there, so I'm gonna put some Romano on there. Look at this. So I'm gonna try it. Let's see what it tastes like. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it is perfectly cooked. Everywhere. Oh, this is so good. So I guess this hack is a way to go. So I'm definitely going to continue trying this when I make corn. And definitely, like they say, TikTok made me do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on the next video. Take care. Bye.